Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2022 F-250. It's got the 3-inch BDS coilover conversion, Elite Series coilovers, 22 by 12 KG1 Trident in a black and milled finish, 35 12 50 20 Netto Recons. This is the radius arm kit. And you can adjust the valving on the shock here. Dual speed adjustment. Got the Fox dual steering stabilizer, as well as the BDS adjustable track bar. This is another one with a single-digit mileage on it. We also did the Retrax power bed cover. And then it's got the Fox shocks in the rear as well. It's just kind of hard to get a nice view of them in here. These Elite Series coilovers paired with these KG1s really look sick in the fenders. Alright, that's all on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.